Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use the dual camera feature on Snapchat. Let's have a look. First, open Snapchat app. On the Snapchat's camera screen, tap the icon of overlapping cameras on the right side of the screen. Record with both cameras. Use dual camera to record your reaction while you snap. Tap OK. The dual camera feature has 4 layouts to choose from, which will determine how the front and back facing camera are displayed on the screen. Here you will see vertical, horizontal, picture in picture and cutout. Tap the layout option you want to use. Tap the camera screen outside of the layout selection window to close the window. Using capture button, you can record your snap. So these are the steps to use the dual camera feature on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.